Hello girls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a makeup tutorial that I often do on a daily basis. Let's get down to it first because I'm going to go in and moisturize my skin using the ordinary natural moisturizing factors. I'm going to go in with the Fenty Skin Hydra Visor SPF so that it prevents the sun damage. Next up, I'm going to go in with the Bobbi Brown with the vitamin enriched face base, moisturizer and prime, so it gives a bit of glow as well. Next up, I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty Glowish Multi-Dew Skin Tint. So here to give a nice sheen to it. And then straight onto my face, I'm using the Tarte BB tinted treatment. It's a BB cream which is very suitable for my dry skin. Super duper light. After that, I'm going to go in with the eyeshadow, a stick eyeshadow. This is by Terry. It adds the slightest bit of shimmer onto my eyelids. And then taking this gorgeous blusher by Drab Beauty. Actually got this as a sample from Sephora. And I think I've kind of overdone it on my cheeks here. And then I like to apply my Anastasia Beverly Hills Matte and Satin. This matches my blush shade and my eyeshadow shade well. And then taking my Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara in the shade Cause I Am Black. I'm totally in love with this mascara because I don't know, I just feel like I can really play them up and make them look really nice and long and fluttery. The last product that I used was the Huda Beauty Silk Balm Lip Gloss. I'm just topping this off after I applied my lipstick just to give it that nice sheen and shine to my lips. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye bye.